Imagine waking up to find extra money in your account, month after month without lifting a finger. That's the power of dividend investing. Hi, and welcome back to Money Matters, your trusted all-inclusive channel for making finance easy and covering everything you should know about making your money work for you. Today, we're diving deep into the world of dividend stocks, showing you how they can be a game changer for your financial future. But before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with all our latest content. And if you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share this video with someone who also could benefit from this info, so they stay updated as well. Now, let's get started. What are dividend stocks? You've probably heard the term dividend thrown around, but what does it really mean? Let's break it down. Dividend stocks belong to companies that return a portion of their profits to shareholders. Think of it as a thank you note in the form of cash. Sounds pretty neat, huh? These companies distribute dividends regularly, often quarterly. It's like getting a slice of the company's success directly into your pocket. But why focus on dividend investing? What makes it so special? Let's explore the reasons for investing in dividends. Why dividend investing? So you've got a grasp on what dividend stocks are. But why would someone specifically choose dividend investing over other strategies? Dividend investing is like setting up a steady stream of passive income. When companies are profitable and stable, they might choose to distribute a part of those profits to their shareholders. It's a sign of the company's confidence in its future growth. By investing in these companies, you're not just banking on the stock price going up, you're also getting a regular payout, rain or shine. Over time, these dividends can compound, especially if you reinvest them, leading to even more shares and, consequently, more dividends. Take a moment to think about your financial goals. How does a consistent income stream fit into your vision? Remember, dividends could be a game changer for your investment journey, but it's not just about the money. There's a certain allure to owning stocks that have a history of consistent dividend payouts. It speaks volumes about the company's stability and its commitment to its shareholders. Now, you might be wondering, okay, good to know, but how do I pick the right dividend stocks? Hold that thought, we're getting to that next. Picking the right dividend stocks. Alright, so you're sold on the idea of dividend investing, but with so many companies out there, how do you pick the ones that'll give you the best bang for your buck? Picking the right dividend stocks isn't just about going for the highest yield, it's a blend of art and science. Here's a simple guide. Dividend yield. While a high yield is attractive, it's essential to ensure it's sustainable. A too high yield might be a red flag. Dividend history. Companies with a consistent history of paying dividends are often more reliable. Payout ratio. This shows the percentage of earnings a company pays as dividends. A very high ratio might indicate the company is paying more than it can afford. Company health. Look at the company's financials. Strong balance sheets and steady cash flows are good indicators. Growth potential. While dividends are great, you'd also want the stock price to appreciate. Look for companies with growth potential. Reflect on the stocks you're eyeing or currently hold. Do you know their dividend policies? Understanding the why behind their dividend decisions can give you a clearer investment perspective. Now, while picking stocks, it's essential to be aware of the common pitfalls. Dividend investing isn't without its challenges. Let's delve into some of the potential risks and how to navigate them. Risks and challenges in dividend investing. Just like any investment strategy, dividend investing isn't without its hurdles, but being aware of these challenges can help you navigate them more effectively. Dividend cuts or elimination. Companies can reduce or even eliminate dividends, especially during economic downturns. This can impact your expected income. Overemphasis on yield. Chasing after the highest yield can be tempting, but it might lead you to overlook other essential factors like company health or growth potential. Tax implications. Dividends might be taxed at a different rate than capital gains, depending on your jurisdiction. It's crucial to be aware of the tax implications of your investments. Market volatility. While dividend stocks can be more stable than growth stocks, they're still subject to market fluctuations. Interest rate sensitivity. Dividend-paying stocks, especially those in sectors like utilities, can be sensitive to interest rate changes. Have you encountered any of these challenges in your investing journey? It's essential to be proactive. By recognizing these hurdles, you're better equipped to navigate the dividend investing landscape. Now that we've covered the challenges, let's switch gears and focus on the brighter side. How can you maximize your returns and truly make dividend investing a cornerstone of your passive income strategy? Stick around as we dive into some pro tips. Firstly, we got building a diverse dividend portfolio. Diversification is a word you'll hear often in the investment world, and for a good reason. By spreading your investments across various sectors and industries, you can mitigate risks. When it comes to dividend investing, this principle holds true. You don't want to rely on a single stock or sector for your dividend income. Imagine if that sector faces a downturn. Your dividend income could take a significant hit. Instead, aim for a mix. Consider stocks from stable sectors like utilities and consumer goods, which often have consistent dividends. But also look at growth sectors, which might offer increasing dividends over time. Look at your current portfolio. Is there a dominant sector? Consider how you can diversify to protect and potentially grow your dividend income. Now, while diversification is crucial, it's not the only thing to consider. The real magic happens when you reinvest those dividends, diving into our second tip, the power of dividend reinvestment. One of the most potent strategies in dividend investing is reinvesting those dividends. Instead of taking the cash, you use it to buy more shares of the stock. Over time, this can lead to a snowball effect. As you buy more shares, you earn more dividends, which allows you to buy even more shares. It's a cycle of growth. This strategy can significantly boost your returns in the long run. By harnessing the power of compound interest, you're not just earning on your initial investment, but also on the dividends that have been reinvested. It's like putting your passive income to work, making it even more passive. Think about your dividends. Are you reinvesting them or spending them? If you're looking for growth, consider the potential benefits of reinvestment. Now that we've grasped the transformative power of reinvesting dividends, it's time to introduce you to the elite league of dividend payers. These aren't just any stocks, they've earned their royal titles through consistency and reliability. Ready to meet the dividend kings and aristocrats? Let's dive in. Dividend kings and aristocrats. In the vast world of dividend stocks, some truly shine as royalty. Let's dive into the elite realm of dividend kings and aristocrats and see what sets them apart. Dividend kings and aristocrats are the elite of the stock market when it comes to consistent dividend payments. Dividend kings have raised their dividends for at least 50 consecutive years, while aristocrats have done so for at least 25 years. These companies have demonstrated resilience, stability, and a commitment to returning value to shareholders. They've weathered economic downturns, market volatility, and changing business landscapes, yet they've consistently rewarded their investors. Investing in these stocks can provide a reliable income stream and a degree of safety in uncertain times. Take a moment to reflect. Are any of these royalty stocks in your portfolio? If not, they might be worth a closer look. Having uncovered the elite realm of dividend kings and aristocrats, you might be itching to see this strategy in the wild. How about we dive deep into a real-life success story? Case study, a real-life dividend success story. Now, instead of just talking about theory, let's dive into a real-life example. Meet Sarah Thompson, an ordinary investor from Austin, Texas. Sarah started her investment journey with a modest sum of $5,000. Instead of selling her body on OnlyFans, she decided to invest in Johnson & Johnson, a well-known dividend-paying stock. Over the years, not only did the stock price appreciate, but the dividends kept rolling in. Instead of spending those dividends, Sarah reinvested them, buying more shares of Johnson & Johnson. Fast forward a decade, and thanks to the power of compounding and a solid dividend strategy, Sarah's initial investment has grown to a whopping $20,000. This story showcases the potential of a well-executed dividend investment strategy and the magic of reinvestment. Disclaimer: this is a hypothetical example for illustrative purposes only and does not represent any actual person or investment. I'm also not a licensed advisor but an educator, so you should always see an actual advisor before tossing your money into something. And yeah, it's annoying that I always say this line over and over, and yeah, I do really have to say that. At least I think I do. Anyways, reflect on Sarah's journey. It's not just about the numbers, it's about the strategy, patience, and the power of dividends. Think about how you can apply these lessons to your own investment journey. Inspired by Sarah's success story? Great! Let's get on with the conclusion so you can start writing your own. Conclusion. We've navigated the intricate maze of dividend investing together, uncovering its secrets and treasures. From the allure of those consistent payouts to the legendary tales of dividend kings and aristocrats, we've unraveled the myths and showcased the reality. You're now armed with insights that could potentially transform your financial future. So what's next? The ball's in your court. Dive deep, explore the dividend waters, and remember, every splash you make, every success or stumble, we want to hear about it, because in this investing journey, your story could be the beacon for others. Let's write it together. As we wrap up, we hope you found this video on dividends helpful. If you did, think about someone who might also benefit from this info. As you see, financial knowledge is of critical importance, especially in today's world. After all, we don't have our name for nothing. Money does matter. If you got someone, share it with them so they don't miss out. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to leave a comment below. If there's any topics you'd like to know more about, be sure to drop them in the comments as well. Your feedback helps us create content that serves your needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with all our latest videos. We have a lot more informative and exciting content planned for you. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching and investing your time with us. We hope to see you again next week here at Money Matters, because your money matters.